Mike with the 61 Beetle. Like or subscribe if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I got a package delivery today from J-Bugs, which was kind of exciting. It has some carpets, seat, floor mats, and the door panels. So thought I would first work on door panels just for the doors. So what that looks like is this. So I just got the simple door panels. Let's see, I'm just going to set this camera up right here so you can take a look at what I have to address here, which is I have the door panels. These things go through here like this, and the two things fit through there perfectly, and it's gonna look like that, which I think looks really sleek. What I did do, because I wanted to have the armrests, I can't explain exactly why I wanted to have armrests on both sides, but being in the bus where there's no armrests, what I did is I got this bracket for both sides. So you can see I have one on the other side. That bracket holds this bracket here, which holds the armrests. Let's see if I can find the armrests. These two guys, which I also got in black. So the armrests then, they have a little bit of a silver trim on them. Trim seemed to sort of come out here. I don't know what's up with that, but maybe I need a dab of glue on that. So that hooks on, and it looks like you have to, so this is going to hook on over this, right? But the only way this is going to go on is if you first put the see, look at that. This is, you know, it's a good thing that you look at this, because this bracket, there's no way that would fit without dremeling that. So basically what I have to do is dremel these brackets so that it fits. I need to glue this trim so that the trim doesn't come off, and then this, I think it goes like this from back to front. All right, well, it's super annoying that I even have to do this. I don't know why. This is a brand new piece and it looks like that. So what I'm doing is I have this this stuff here, which is JB Weld high heat. That's for when I heat the hell out of my armrest. That's really gonna hold well. Hey, that's what I had, so. All right, so yeah, I don't mean to be a complainer, but you know, I ordered these parts from the same place. You know, you get this, which is the back side of this, and there's no way, look at that, the narrowest, there's no way that's gonna fit. So I have to Dremel that out. I'm gonna do that on both of my clips here, like this and this, where I'm just gonna come in. So, safety reading glasses, safety first. All right, it's a fit. That's the first one. I'm going to use a larger washer that'll hold it, a lock washer, and then a nut. And let's see if that actually has enough thread to get it on there. It does. And then it looks like this. And I can't complain about that. I think that looks great. So now, well, first let me Dremel the other side just for planning the other one. All right. So now I have this one ready for the other side. So now what I need are the clips and the little plastic things that are going to go on there. So let's see how that works. So I have over here the little rubber things and the plastic clips. Let's just check on the gluing of this thing. So still looks a little bad, but that's not going to be too bad once it's upside down like that. So put the cap on my Gorilla Glue here before that thing dries out. And let's see if I can get these clips here. So the way this works, you need to put these things right there for the time being. Put these things in each. Okay, so those are all in. So now, let's see if I can actually pop this thing in. So I need to make sure I get the armrest into there. So I did. So now the armrest is in. To slide it, probably scratching this. Armrest is in, and now move this over just a little bit. These things are in. So now I just have to push in each of these. See if I can do that. Looks like there's a little adjustability on this. I'm just going to set this camera here as I do it. A little adjustability on the positioning of these things, but I did. Okay, so now they all kind of popped in place. So again, these are the economy, super budget. And now I could actually put in my door latch and roller. So the question is when you're in the all the way up position, do you care where the All right, wanted to show both sides of this. So this is a solidly on there, and then I have all the clips, and then I have the window roller. Now this has two little gaskets. One is the wide one, and one is the narrow one that goes on top of it. And annoyingly, I only had two of these kind, so I need to get two more so that that can go under here. So I'm not going to connect this yet permanently, but I can connect this. And then looking over at the other side, I have the exact same setup. So when the window is rolled all the way up, I'm making this point kind of down like this. This has both the, you can see that has the narrow, the wider one and the more narrow one, and I haven't put it on yet. And then this one here only has that, so I have to order another one. But panel looks good. So that's the driver's side door. Looks good. Just need the inside plastic. And then here's the passenger side door. Looks good. Again, all I need is the, you know, I have the outside one and this guy, and the pin goes in there, but I need the thinner, larger one so that this acts as a washer. So, you know, that'll go on there. So, go something like this. So I'll just order those, and but overall, very happy with the way that door looks.